discuss the significance of the food processing industry first, highlight its present status, major challenges and suggest measures. And how many mark question? 10 mark question. That is 2 pages, you have to write 4 different things. So remember, whenever the demand of the question is more and you have the less space and less time, your presentation becomes more important. How you are presenting more content in less space, that you will learn in this answer. See this. Next is the significance of food processing industry. I spoke about the 4. See this is the you can say a table I made, matrix. Here it is showing the 4 different types of significance: economic, social, environmental and other. Each I gave the 3 point, here 2 point, here 2 point. Here if the examiner will see, you only judge how you have written and how you could have written. Basically I have covered the answer in a broad dimension, all aspect I have touched, but I have not explained one point in a large manner with the example, data, that much I have not given, because scope is not there na. How will you justify otherwise? If I write the 1 point only, employment generation, here I will give the data, then I will be able to write mostly 3 points, or I will compromise in the other parts, maybe in the current status or the challenges or the measures. So in such kind of question, remember, you have to present such a way that you present all aspect of your answer. Otherwise what will happen, despite you know the answers, here nothing you don't know, despite you know the answer, you will miss those points to write, just because of the time and the space constraint. Such kind of answer requires our presentation skill. So see, this is the one way of presenting it. Next, go to the current status. So here I made the table 4 point with the simple facts and table. I made a table: GDP contribution 5%, processing level just 2% of vegetable, food wastage is 40%. In the data form only, one table presented those data, done. Next, major challenges, here structural, infrastructural, other. Even if examiner won't read this, definitely they will read multidimensional, okay, done. So here I gave 2 point, 2 point, here small graph and 2 point. Then measure, I use this kind of flow diagram. So with just 2 pages, you see so many points, at least here 30-40 points are there. And whatever I wanted to write, I could write just in 2 pages and within that 7 minutes.